Hey, what's up guys? My name is Matt Zimmerman. I'm the CEO of Beast Code, and today I'm going to tell you a little bit about how we started our company. When we started Beast Code in 2014, there were 7 of us. We had a pretty sweet fold-out table, and we started programming. Our first application was an analysis app for the DDG-1000, and we worked with the Navy's warfare centers where we adopted a simple 3D model that had about 10,000 components, where each component was a pump or a valve or a piece of pipe, cable, and we were applying weapons effects, blast, fragmentation, and shock to determine how survivable the ship was. So we started working with the shipyard, and we were able to get the CAD models, spreadsheets, schematics that had donut stains on it, and we aggregated all that information together to create a 3D digital twin that had over 1 million different components. And everything was fully interactive, so we could open and close a valve and see what the downstream effects were. We could bust a power cable and see how that affected the mission systems that were on the ship. And we took all the different weapons effects that we got from the Warfare Center, and we were able to come up with 30+ different design changes for the ship. From there, we took that same 3D digital twin and started creating game-based training. DDG-1000 at the time had 400 hours of PowerPoint training, so it's next, trying to get out of different courses, and today it's all interactive. So we have all the 3D systems, you can see what the major components are, how they interact together, how the systems interact, what their operating parameters are, how all the different systems are interconnected. We can put the sailors on the deck plate so they can locate that equipment, and they can actually operate it using the local controllers that they would in real life, and even run through maintenance procedures, whether it was like a system lineup or actually pulling different components apart to be able to place different pieces. And then we found out that the acquisition community, the program office, the shipyard, supervisor of ships, was using that same training product to support validating construction and actually troubleshooting the startup of different systems. And so they were using that virtual environment to augment what they would do in real life. And today, we're supporting the Navy across many different platforms and many different enterprise applications where we're creating these 3D weapon systems and replacing software that was built in the 90s with 3D systems. So instead of having to go into like a spreadsheet or some type of old school workflow that looks like it's from the 1990s, we're able to use the 3D digital twin to create processes that are cool. If you want to check out any of our products, you can visit our website or YouTube page and see how our digital twin technology works and how it interacts with PLM and predictive analytics.